All right, let's talk about myth number 7. Um, the only upfront cost is the down payment. Well, that's just not true. So, there are 4 things that you probably need to account for besides your down payment, which includes errors, so forth. So, the actual home inspection. So, based on even if it's a brand new house, you should always get a home inspection. They can range $300 to $700. Now, if you're going to buy an older home, sometimes you may want to have increased inspections on termite or foundation or septic. So sometimes you can go up to around $1,300 to $1,400 just on inspections, and most of them, actually almost all of them, want their payment before they release the report. Appraisals. Some lenders will include that in closing costs. However, there are other lenders that want you to actually pay for the appraisal. On top of that, you need to make sure that you can pay for all your moving costs, any cleanup costs from the place that you're leaving, utilities, switching utilities from one place to another. So think about that. So when you're doing your calculation, you're doing your planning for buying your home, just make sure that you have enough money budgeted for these other items. And just like anything else, don't go out and, especially if you're working with lenders, don't buy a new car. Don't change jobs. Don't do anything that may affect your ability to get that loan through to closing. So, have a great week out here.